at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good, temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night, not good, so get home early today, take some rest, and... Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso.
To man's new best friend. Meet Chip. Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With the smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks.
Feature a part of your life.
Meet Ido.
What can I do for you today?
Ido is a part of your family.
Good morning.
He's an intelligent, capable, and affordable companion.
Morning, Ido. What's going on today?
He can do just about anything. The help you have always wanted.
Claire, I have a reminder for you. Don't forget the family photo shoot at 5 o'clock.
I gotta make dinner. Hey, Zembo, follow me.
Hi, I am Zenbo.
I guess I could make celery soup with hot dogs. Or seafood paella. Hey, Zembo, help me find a seafood paella recipe.
Step 1. Put the onion and fennel in the bowl and then add some olive oil.
Okay, next step.
Step 2. Place the bowl in the microwave and cook the ingredients for 5.
Fine. Hey, Zimbo, let's play fun quizzes.
Do you know how bees communicate with one another? Do they dance?
Yes, they do.
That's right, but they also use smell and sound too.